Hello everybody, we are back. I wanted to film this one very special today because I am here with David, the owner of ShiftCulture, and he's got something really cool for me. He has a full Vorsteiner Huracan STO. I can't wait to show you guys. He's right behind me, but the reason why I wanted to film this today is because we are going to break in the new Sony A7r5. I'm really excited for it. This is my first official shoot with it. I've shot some cars during the week just to feel it out and everything. This thing is nuts. I can't wait to show you the modes. This has a car mode on it for when I'm taking rollers. I'm really excited. So we're pulling up to the location now. I'm gonna do some B-roll footage so you guys can see the car and enjoy the car. And then we are going to do a little in-depth of the A7r5. So I'm really excited for the A7r5. This thing is an absolute tank. It is the flagship for them. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so far, Sony A7r5 that I'm noticing big time is how fast this thing focuses. The processing on here is nuts. The screen's not as bright as before. I did increase the brightness all the way. It's not as bright as usual, which is fine. You know, I do shoot a little bit darker. I like to shoot a little bit darker to expose the sky a little bit more, so the sky could be a little bit more, you know, actual true tone. And then I shoot the car, polarize both sides, as you guys already know that I do. Compile that all together, makes the perfect shot in my opinion. So far, A7r5 impression, I like it. I've had two A7r4s. Is it that big of a difference from the A7r4 to the A7r5? Is the 5 noticeably different? I'm gonna be honest with you, no. Do I do video? I do 4K. You guys either see footage from either my Pocket 3 or my R5. If I do incorporate some 8K, raw 8K footage, you guys are gonna notice a difference, and then compiling that all together into a video, it's all gonna get exported as 4K anyway. So do I necessarily need it? Is it that much worth of the upgrade? In my opinion, no. But what I've noticed is that I needed it. Both of my R4s were literally dying on me. I needed it, and so far I'm noticing is that this is a lot faster. The processing is faster, the focusing is a lot faster. It focuses way more bits than before. I'm really excited to try out the modes on this. As you could probably see with the car, this does have a new tracking system for cars, planes, trains, whatever. I'm really excited to get into that. So let's finish up here. Alrighty, so here we are. We're in the camera recognition setting. I'm gonna show you guys right here. I'm gonna go right here. And then now I'm gonna give it a try. This is the new camera train one. So got David right here, to the right of me. Let's give this a shot. Showcase what it can do. I'm gonna unmute the mic. All right, David, you're on camera. So whatever you say can be used against you in the court of law. I'm kidding. Don't quote me on that. It's gonna identify David's car right here, as you guys can see. And we're gonna give it a little bit of a test. So here we go, there we go. It's fully recognizing the front end of the STO. So as I'm driving and videoing you with my knee on the wheel at the same time, it is fully identifying the front end right now because of the lighting, but now I'm able to fully do rolling shots of David's car at a 5 aperture, and I want to say I'm at about a 24 wide focal length. So I'll stop talking and have you guys enjoy this. I used to be like that way back then. I was way back then. I had brains back then. On the tip, in case the ops pull up. My homie Tommy always had the hook up. just got done with the rollers. Big shout out David for allowing me film, use his car as a test for the new system of the A7r5. A7r4 did not have that. I will die on the hill. I have never seen that function on an R5 before. Or maybe this is just the new software, whatever. Point is, sick setup, sick system. I'm very happy with it. And I need to get over this lane because I need to get gas because I'm an hour and a half away from my house. Anyway, so big shout out to David. STO looked great, full Vorsteiner setup. He did the Vorsteiner lip kit on it and the Vorsteiner wheels, and he did the Gintani twin turbo setup. So again, big shout out to ShiftCulture. Here you go. And then follow me guys if you want to see the photos. And then a final goodbye. Later guys.